So, who knows what today is?
Thursday?
It's the first day of winter, which is winter solstice, which is also Yule. So happy Yule.
Happy Yule. No, Mama.
Say happy Yule.
There was no mud on me.
So, as part of the Yule tradition, you guys get to open one gift.
You want to open a present?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sure. Okay. Trevor, you go get the presents.
Stay where you are, Heather.
Sit down.
Trevor, bring it to you.
I move a little bit.
Can you open it? Try ripping it. Just rip the paper open. Want a little help?
Yeah, open it for me.
Okay.
Go ahead and open, Trevor. Trevor.
Rip it open.
So what'd you get, Trev? What is it?
Disney puzzle.
What Disney puzzle?
Snow White.
Really? Oh, that's so cool. What'd you get, Heather?
Hey, tell Daddy.
What did you get? Oh, you got a model car. Those presents are perfect for you guys.
Are they perfect?
Trevor, how come you're not smiling?
Did you hand the right presents out?
Yes, I
Double
did.
check the tag.
This one says to Trevor.
Well, that must be yours then.
Does it seem right? Should you have got a model and Heather go? Maybe go look and see what Trevor has. Maybe you might want to trade. Do you think you might want to trade?
You sure about that, Heather?
Show Daddy what you got now.
What'd you get? A puzzle. You got puppies, okay.
What did you get, Trevor?
Model car.
Are you happier now?
Yes.
Was
Yeah,
I
look at that
trying to
smile on him now. Okay, you guys, go sit beside Trevor. Say Merry Yule.
Merry Yule.
Say Happy Yule. Say Happy Christmas. Happy Yule.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Y'all come back now, you hear?